Hey guys, Jack here bringing you a quick tutorial video about how to set up a Minecraft server, vanilla Minecraft server on a CentOS VPS. So first you want to go get a VPS from somewhere. I can suggest if you live in the UK you can use many VPS, they're a pretty good host, or if you live in the US, another one I have experience with is .vps. They've got some pretty awesome prices, and I'm going to be using example 6 gigabytes, or a VPS with 6 gigabytes of RAM, 2 shared processors, and this will give us a pretty good performance. So first you want to do is open up your PuTTY. If you don't have PuTTY, it's a SSH client that you use to communicate with your server. So I'm going to log into here, and now it shows me I've last logged in from Windstream, which is the worst internet provider ever. I'm going to do CD for change directory, and then / to go to root. And if you want to list it, it should show these just to make sure you're actually at root. And I'm going to want to make a new directory, so mkdir, and I'll just call it testmc. I want to change directory to testmc, and there's nothing in here. And if I'm installing vanilla Minecraft, what I want to do is I want to first get the download link for vanilla Minecraft, and I'll be at minecraft.net/download if it will load. And let's see, you're not going to want that, you want the server jar, so just for ease, I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to do wget, which is what you use to download direct files off of a server using Linux, and I'm just going to download that. And then we have minecraft_server.jar, and if we want to rename that, we just do mv minecraft. Okay, that's spelled minecraft server.jar. And I didn't choose a name to mcserver.jar. Okay, now the second thing you're going to do, or actually you should have done this first, but you know it doesn't matter, is you're going to want to install Java if you haven't already on your VPS. So you're going to do yum install Java, and I already have it installed on here, so it'll tell me it's all up to date and everything. Actually, I'll check if it's up to date or not. Checking, and actually might have an update. Does it really have an update? Yes, it actually has an update, but we're not going to use that. Actually, there's multiple ways of installing Java, so just check of a new way. That one's the one I know that works, though, normally. So to start it, you're then going to use java-xmx, make sure it's capital X in the beginning, and a good amount. If your VPS has 1 gigabyte, that's equal to 1024 megabytes. And if you have that, it's recommended to use only 75%, so we'll do like 768. But since this is running another Minecraft server at 4 gigabytes and it has 6 total, I'm going to use a demonstration of 512. And then M for megabytes, and if you were going to do like gigabytes, you do 1 gigabyte or 3 gigabytes, and it would work appropriately like that. So we do 512 megabytes, then XMS, capital X again, 512. And this, each one of those, one is the starting amount, and then one is how much it can use up to, I'm pretty sure. And we do dash jar to show it's a jar file, and then mcserver.jar for the jar name, and then no GUI since we're running the jar version. I'm just going to return that. And then it's already running on that port because this server is actually running another Minecraft server. So to edit your server like settings and all, you're going to want to use nano, so that'll be yum install nano. And I already have nano installed in here. I'll get another VPS though that doesn't have anything installed. See, nano's already installed in latest, so nano server.properties, and here we have all our properties. So I already have a Minecraft server running off of this port, so we're going to do port 255. If I can type that in right, yep. I don't think I messed anything up there. Then Control X brings up this menu. Then you hit yes, and then you hit enter, and then there it's saved. Now we can just hit the up arrow in PuTTY to choose a recent command. And we're just going to start the server back up again with this one. Okay, now it's generating the world, so this may take a little while depending on how good your VPS is, and there it's done. So now we're going to open up Minecraft, and we're going to log in, yeah. Log in. Okay. Then you're going to want to go to your VPS's IP, then you're going to do whatever port. You're not required to do a port. A benefit of a VPS though is that you get full control, a dedicated IP without paying. Actually, it's really cheap actually. You don't have to remember ports. So I have that now set up. That's the other server that's running on there, and there's actually people. And then this is the one I just set up at 20 slots, and I have a terrible ping. When did all those get offline? Well, I have a terrible internet right now, so I'm just going to join it. Wait for it to log in and download the world. And then it says there that I just joined the game. Stupid pig. Also, if your server starts lagging and it shows could not keep up, is the system time overloaded or something like that, system time change, server load, then add more RAM. And if you have added like 1 or more gigabytes, then it's probably either something in the background, something you have in the game, and if so, I'm going to show you how to fix that. So actually off yourself, so I'm going to opt, actually no, I already broke it, I already stopped it, I think. Quit. Stop. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so you're going to want to open up the server properties again. Properties. And then well, actually way down here is something called view distance. Now, yeah, if you know something about Minecraft, you know it works in chunks. 9 by 9 by default for an 81 chunk radius. Multiplayer has 10 by 10, so it's 100 chunks, and each one of those chunks takes up maybe about 15 kilobytes, and then you got to send all those to the server or to the person, which shouldn't be a problem with the internet. But you also have to load them all into RAM, which can take up a lot. So if it's lagging a lot and you don't really care about seeing very far, you're still going to see actually moderately far, but you can set it to 3. And if it's lagging just a bit, you can set it to 5 or 6. Both those numbers are still pretty good. And I'll just close this and save. And then if I start up the server again, these servers actually start really fast. It's surprising when you run them on Linux. Okay, and I'm in now. Oh, my microphone's falling. And since I have bad internet, it's going to take a while for the world to load, but if you haven't noticed, it's loading not as far as normal, which means it's not taking up as much memory on my computer or the server. And actually, I can't even notice since... Okay, then. Yeah, whatever. That was just a test server. And that is how you install vanilla Minecraft server on a CentOS VPS. I will probably be doing a tutorial soon on how to install Bucket and Feed the Beast and how to install Java and how to keep a VPS optimized. But for now, leave a like, rating, comment, and subscribe if this helped you. And if you actually need any help, just message me on YouTube at Joint Portal Gaming. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a successful server. Yeah.